In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn money online promoting Digistore 24 products even as a complete beginner. I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process that you can set up and start earning passive income every single day promoting Digistore 24 products. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to make money online, and if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You would definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing you want to do is quite obvious. You want to head over to digistore24.com to create an account. And for those who don't know how to create an account, I'm going to leave a link in the description to a video that's going to show you how to create a fully functional Digistore 24 account. So once you have your account created, you want to make sure to come over to the marketplace section, and this is where you are going to have access to varieties of products from various categories that you can start promoting and start earning money on Digistore 24. So I'm going to be taking the health and fitness category as an example. So I'm going to click on this health and fitness. As you can see right here, over 100 products are available on this category alone. So basically, I'm going to show you how you can leverage the power of this website that gets over 114 million visits every single month. So basically, I'm going to be taking this product right here as an example. And the reason I'm taking this product is because you want to make sure before you select any product on Digistore 24, you want to check the popularity of the product, because this is a good indicator and it's going to tell you how many affiliates are making money with this product. So now this product is going to pay you $22 for every single sale you bring to this product. And the next step is to come over to this website called plrplr.com. So basically, this website gives you PLR articles that you can use for absolutely free. As you can see right here, it can be used as web content for backlinks. It can be sold, and also you can see right here, you can modify this content and you can basically claim to be the author of this content right here. So once you come over to this website, you want to basically look for content in whatever category you select on Digistore 24. So since I selected the fitness and health category as an example, I want to basically look for health and fitness articles on this website. So basically, if I scroll down, as you can see, we have health and fitness right here. As you can see, there are a bunch of articles right here that I can use to make money for absolutely free. Okay, so if I scroll up right here, taking this one as an example, we say 7 tips for a long and healthy life. Right, so I want to click on this article. So once you do that, then you want to head over to docs.google.com. You want to click on this blank document. So once you do that, then you want to head over to this page and you want to copy the title of this article. Okay, so once you copy that, you want to go back to your Google Docs and you want to paste in the title of this article right here like this. So now the next step is to basically go back and you want to copy the content of this article. So all you just need to do is to scroll down and copy all of this content. You want to go back to your Google Docs and you want to paste in the content right here. So now the final thing you need to do to set up this process is to basically go back to your Digistore 24 account and you want to basically click on this link right here to grab your affiliate link. So once you have your link copied, all you need to do is to go back to Google Docs, and now you want to highlight each of this heading right here and you want to select this link. Okay, so once you do that, you want to paste in your Digistore 24 link right here and you want to click on apply. So basically, once people have access to this product, they are going to see this hyperlink right here. And once they click on this link, will be taken to the Digistore 24 product. So you want to repeat the same process for all of these headings right here. So as you can see, I have done this for all of these headings right here. So basically, this means once people come over to this article right here, many of these people are going to get curious and want to click on this hyperlink right here, and once they click on that, it's going to take them to this Digistore 24 product, and you can see this is a product for LD keto meal plan. So basically, people who are interested for 7 LD tips are going to definitely be interested in a LD meal plan. So once they click on that and they purchase this product, you make money. Okay, so now we are almost done. The final thing right here is to basically download this article. All right, so to do that, all you just need to do is to click on file right here and you want to scroll down and you want to click on this download right here. So you want to immediately scroll down and you want to make sure you download the PDF version. So once you have that downloaded, you want to come over to this website called script.com. So basically, this website allows you to upload ebook, and this website gets millions of visits every single month. This website gets over 100 million visits every single month, and there is a lot of traffic if you know how to monetize it. So once you are here, all you just need to do is to click on this sign up right here, and you'll be able to sign up with your Gmail or your Facebook account. So once you have your account created, it's going to look like this. So the next thing you want to do is to locate this section that says upload, and you want to click on upload. And once you do that, as you can see right here, reach more than 90 million readers, which means you don't even need to drive traffic once you upload your ebook. So now the next step, you want to click on this select documents to upload. And once you do that, you want to locate the document you just downloaded from docs.google.com. And you want to click on open. You want to give the document a title right here, which is the 7 tips for a long and healthy living. And you want to click on done. So once you upload your ebook, as you can see right here, once people click on any of these headings right here, they will be taken to this Digistore 24 product. And also keep in mind, this website gets millions of visits every single month, which means 1 month, 2 months, 3 months down the line, you can still make money. So basically, the more ebook you upload, the more traffic you're going to get on your Digistore 24 links. An alternative traffic source that you can use is slideshare.net, which also gets over 70 million visits every single month. So basically, if you upload on both slideshare.net and script.com, you are guaranteed to get a ton of traffic on your Digistore 24 links. And also, if you have time on your hand, you can basically come over to Quora.com and answer questions that are related to health and fitness. So basically, you can come over to the search bar and you can type in how to live a healthy life. So once you type that on Quora.com, you can see this is a similar question here that says, what are the top 50 secrets to live a long and healthy life? So basically, if I scroll down, you can see this answer has gotten over 100,000 views right here. So basically, you can use Quora to also get a lot of traffic and also make passive income. As you can see right here, this question was answered 29th of June 2022, and this is basically about 6 months ago, and this has gotten over 100,000 views. So basically, if you can use Quora in conjunction with slideshare.net and script.com, you can be guaranteed to get a ton of traffic on your Digistore 24 links. And also, like I said, you don't have to use this health and fitness niche alone. If you come over to this digital product section right here, you are going to find a lot of products from various niches and various categories right here. And also, like I said, you want to make sure they have a good popularity score, and that way you are sure you are going to make a sale promoting that product, because other affiliates have made money promoting that product. So basically, that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value in this video, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.